So my mum is from Papsakaua, Falealupo, Sangonge, and Fasitoo-Uta. But my dad is from Fasitoo-Uta in Samoa. It's good to be back, offer something different, and great to be back. Tommy said to us like family. They were the first place they took our first solo show last year. So it's nice to come back and this time bring Aunty Tala and Suave with us. Telling my story of what it's like being brought up as a Samoan in New Zealand, my perspective of life as a Samoan, and also with a bit of music element with the Suave singing a few songs as well, a bit of dancing. Aunty Tala on Friday night will be looking for a husband, so all of the men that are coming on Friday will not be safe. Whether you're married or not married, no one is safe on Friday night, so hopefully Aunty Tala will find she's asked Nathan numerous times, but Cindy's trying to get engaged to Nathan as well. So I think Nathan likes the attention, Cindy and Aunty Tala, but hopefully she'll get lucky on Friday night and find herself maybe out from Malua or something, and then get into the ministry and work on there.